Hey guys, here's the same train coming from Richmond, Monday northbound, double stack one. And the center is, I don't know, it's a new center.
Okay, why are we here?
Yellow, red. The new center's not even on.
There's no
It's not finished yet. It is on. The new one's yellow, the one's yellow, red. Mom, can you make a video?
You're Canadian Indian liar. Say a filthy Canadian liar.
Mom.
What, Gabe?
Can you make a video, please? And when it comes, I want you to get the numbers, okay?
Hey, Gabe, get off my back.
Make a video, please. Cool, awesome. Here's train number 2 for this week. Richmond, we missed it, but that's alright. That's still train 1. This is train 2. It's the same train. We saw it's train 2 because we get to see it in a different location.
Filthy
There you go.
Canadian liars.
Owen, go sit down.
Hey Mom, I can make a video on my phone.
Yes, Gabe.
Mom,
Filthy Irish
What?
can you
liars.
please make a video on my phone?
Mom.
Gabe.
Mom.
Oh my God.
What?
Turn the lights off!
You know what? She's gonna be grounded, both of them.
What did I do?
Mom,
Turn off the lights!
What, Abram?
Zombies here.
Yeah, we're almost there.
I kissed the wall. We're never gonna be there. Mom.
Mom,
What?
I can make a video on my phone.
Gabe, you've been answered like 3 times.
Alright Mom, can you please make a video?
Kendall, no, I'm only gonna say this one more time, then we're just gonna
No,
go
I want
right
you to make a
home.
video. Try to get the number.
Do you have your camera, Gabe?
Finally.
Do you have your camera, Gabe?
Right away. Awesome. We still have Friday. Get the number, please.
Yo, 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 yo,
Ha.
yo, yo, stop.
Here comes Abram. Cover you. It's gonna be loud, okay? You know, I think it's 2173. It is. I mean, it has to be the same one.
It is. 2173.
2173, I think.
That's what it was.
Huh?
Yes, it was.
Was it 2173?
Yo! Mom!
Hey, Mom, are you recording?
Oh, you won't be getting
That's the same one me and Uncle John saw.
I didn't get the number on camera though, Gabe.
Mom!
What? Is it 2173?
Yes.
That's alright. Did you
What,
get the engine
Abram?
good though?
Stay on
Cool, train
Oh,
2.
Hey, yo, bud.
Alright guys, this is still
That's in this
Okay.
video. Step
cool.
over.
2173.
You elbow head.
2 hours.
Hey, yo, bro. Well, if you didn't say that,
What's up, bro?
elbow.
That's a long train.
Don't you do.
He's going fast. Now he's slowing down. He better not stop. This train stops, I'm gonna be angry with the CN with driver. And I'll have Mom and Dad call CN and deal with them.
Get in your side.
Was it, Mom? How long was it go? How long was it in Richmond?
Hey, yo, bud.
Hey, don't say that in my video.
Owen, stop.
What are you saying? Trump 11?
Hey, you Trump 11.
Owen.
Owen, can you stop, please?
Thank you, Mom.
Yep.
You have enough memory on it, right?
Yes, Gabe.
I hope I get my own phone soon without I can make a video anytime I want. Yeah. Yes! That's train number 2 for this week. Friday's train day.
I'm dying. Mom?
I mean, I behaved today, no problems.
Is it train day?
Yeah.
No.
Not really.
I mean, I didn't punch anything I did. What? What is with the empty ones? I mean,
It's Friday. Friday.
real, empty.
We got 5 on Friday. Friday.
I think that.
Friday.
I see.
Today is not Friday.
Yeah, guys, I think the rest are empty. I think the rest are empties.
She's punching my armpits. First of all, why would I even do such a gross thing?
It might be. Maybe I thought there was one to post. Why is he slowing down?
Stop.
Yeah,
Come on, I mean, really?
No, stop.
He's gonna be blocked right here for a
Side.
while.
Mom. High five.
Great.
Come on.
Seriously?
I don't know when it's starving. Come on, train. Move.
You're joking.
Hell just turned on.
You
Mom,
are
are you recording Dad?
Not I'm not recording, Dad.
What the heck? You know what, guys?
I hate
What? You know what? Mom, call Ian and tell them to move the hell off.
you just missed it and
If it stops, just stop the video. Who's pushing me?
damn, my damn
Alright, guys, that's all for now.